What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we got another viewer question. His name is Dom. You wouldn't happen to be Dominic Toretto, would you? I'm just playing. Alright, so let us get into his question. So Dom asks, he says, "Hey Ryan, been watching your videos, love your stuff. Thank you so much, Toretto. Thank you. I am 18 years old. Damn, son. Youngin'. 18 years old, and I am looking for a used car. Now, I've been searching Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace, and I found some that I really like, but they have blown engines. They are a great deal, I believe, but I was wondering, should I buy one with a blown engine and put a new motor in, or should I try to repair it myself?" I don't know why I just had a brain freeze on that. But, okay, Dom, so let us take it here. You want a used car. Awesome, cool. Save a lot of money. Now, you want to buy one with a blown engine. How much are they charging you? If it's like $300 for the car, fine, go right ahead. You can find a junkyard motor for about $5,000 to $1,000 and put it in. Get it started right away. Depending on how bad the engine is blown, is there a hole in the block? Then you can't really rebuild that. That block is trash. Get a new block and then you can rebuild it from there. If the block is good and the head gasket's just blown, fine, that's perfect. Replace the head gasket. I noticed you also said that you are into cars and you want to learn a little bit more. You've been watching my channel. I appreciate that very, very much. Thank you so much. Now, that would be great experience for you on how to rebuild an engine. You can see so many videos online on how to do it. My advice to you is get the car super cheap. If you can get it for $300, $400, fine, get it. As long as the body is good, there's no rot, get it. As for the engine, if there's a blown, it doesn't even matter what's wrong with the engine. If there's a blown hole in the side of the block, throw out the block. It's not even good. Get another engine from the junkyard, bring it back, rebuild a block. You can take it to the machine shop, have them machine out the block for you, bore the pistons, and get the head redone. And then slowly build yourself back up. Get the head gaskets, get all that stuff, and rebuild it back up. That would be great experience. Plus, at least you could say you built your car, you would know it from the inside out. And anything that goes wrong, you know where to go, how to go, what bolts to remove to get there quicker. I think that would be a great thing. Yeah, get it cheap if you can do it. Don't pay too much for a car that's blown, or just a roller. Even if you get a roller shell, don't pay too much. People be wanting absurd prices just for a roller. I think it's ridiculous. You're just paying for a hunk of metal that does nothing. I think do that. Go get a project car. It's gonna be a project car. Don't lose your patience with it. It's gonna take time. If you have no experience, just watch a ton of videos. There are so many videos on repairing cars and how to rebuild engines. Every engine is basically the same thing. The only little difference is certain timing things might be different. Certain things may be put in different spots. Certain things might look different. But basically, it's all the same. They all use the 4-stroke cycle, compression power, intake, compression power, and exhaust. Stuff like that. So, Dom, I hope this really helped you guys. If you have any other things to want to add for Dom to know, leave it in the comment section below, and let us help this 18-year-old brethren out. Dom, peace. Thanks for watching. Peace.